And now we are going to learn how to pronounce one of the scariest letters in the Italian alphabet, the letter R. But don't worry, because once we see this method, it will be easier for you to pronounce the letter R in Italian. First of all, say Dracula. In English, Dracula. Now, replace the letter R in Dracula with the letter L and say Dlacula. Dlacula. Can you feel that your tongue is at the front of your palate when you pronounce the letter L in Dlacula? That's more or less the same position in which your tongue should be when you say the letter R in Italian. The main difference is that when you say the letter L in English, it's the top part of your tongue that is flat against the palate, whereas when you say the letter R in Italian, it's the tip of your tongue that touches the front of your palate. So now that you know how to pronounce the letter R in Italian, let's replace the letter L in Dracula with the letter R and say Dracula in Italian, Dracula. I go first. Dracula, Dracula. One more time. Dracula, Dracula. So now you can see why it's so hard for some English speakers to pronounce the letter R in Italian. Because in English, the letter R comes from the back of the mouth, whereas in Italian, it comes from the front of the mouth. Now let's have a look at some examples together. Please repeat after me. Bere, carne, Roma, birra. Have a look at the word carne. Can you see how important it is to pronounce the letter R? Because if you don't, you go from carne to cane, dog. Also, if you have a look at the word birra, you can see that because we have double R, we have to keep the R sound longer. So we say birra. Let's repeat these examples one more time. Bere, carne, Roma, birra. Well done! In this exercise, we are going to practice how to pronounce the letter R in Italian. Please repeat after me. Carta, caro, perché, sera, rotto, grazie, rosso, porta, nero. Good job! Per oggi abbiamo finito. We are done for today. Just keep in mind that it may take some time to learn how to roll the letter R in Italian. But don't worry, keep practicing and you will improve. In the meantime, you can head to forvo.com and practice with the Italian tongue twister 3 tigri contro 3 tigri. Grazie mille, alla prossima. Thank you very much and I'll see you next time. Ciao!